Hello everyone, I am Karthika, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. And before this, we have already seen about the carbonizing and the use of carbonizing. Now we are going to see about synthetic fibers heat setting. Synthetic fibers heat settings. Heat setting is a process that uses that maintain the shape of size to synthetic fibers. It can also improve the fabric strength, smoothness and hand feel. Heat setting can also help eliminate wrinkles. To remove, it is used for heat settings and make fabric more dimensionally stable. Then heat setting can eliminate the tendency of undesirable torquing at the winding, twisting and weaving, tufting and knitting process. The increased of tendency to torquing can cause difficulties in processing the yarn. When using heat setting for carpet yarns, desirable results include not only dimensioning the torquing but also stabilizations or fixing of the fiber thread, both twist stabilization and for freeze effect are result of the heat setting process. Here heat setting benefits staple yarns as well as bulked continuous filaments yarns. Heat setting often causes synthetic fibers to gain volume as well. This volume growth is commonly described as bulk development. All process using temperature and or moisture to give textiles one of the above mentioned attributes are known as heat setting. The term thermal fixation is used less frequently in the carpet industry. The process is exclusively called heat setting. Okay, then crinkling tendency. The crinkle tendency is due to the technological conditions of the spun yarn productions and the physical fiber properties above the technological conditions of the spun yarn productions means the turning movement of the thread. Turning movement of the thread. A twist thread will always try to twist when it hangs freely between two fixed points. Twisted thread will always try to twist when it hangs freely. Part of its original twist, which becomes spirals whose twisting directions is opposite to the original twist directions. Twisting in the opposite directions, it is diagram of tension and pressure. The total tension acting against the twisting is increasing in relations to increased twisting due to the increased tension and pressure of the bundle fibers. It may become so stronger that the thread core buckles when it can no longer withstand the compressive strains. The yarn curls, meaning that the yarn tries to reach a state of equilibrium in which twist the opposite directions from the original twist directions balance yarn's torque. These twists are called negative twist in the state. During the spinning process, this is pot to cup for more twist and it's therefore subjected to higher inner tensions. higher inner tensions, which ultimately break the thread core. Although thicker yarns are less twisted than fine ones, the inner tension rises opposite to the yarn size. The chemical process, we have shared chemical process, the types of chemical process, and then the yarn or doubled yarn twist is set. Of course, the morphological structure of the fibers must be considered when equalizing the tensions by streaming, since the woolen fiber very quickly gets the temperature for breaking up. Thank you.